For my technology number 2, I'm going to use Screencastify. I go up to this icon, and it has a picture of a desktop. So I only want to record my desktop with a microphone. So I click on record. I can do the entire screen or just the application window. So I'll just do the application window because I'm going to use this for my peers to show them how to use the interactive Orton Gillingham lesson. All right, so it started taping. So my first screen is record or read sounds, and I linked my card pack. Then I have spell sounds. Here's all our diacritical markings for when students mark up their word lists, which is what comes next. So we have word lists. And I can click on there. I will click on there. And my word list will come up. And I have some of those markings so I could move them. I could move this mark over to here, over the OO in spoon. So that's just one example of that. So I'm still recording. I have, under the free service, I have 5 minutes to record, and that goes extremely fast. I'm sure you guys know because you've been taping things. Here's my phonemic and morphological awareness. Here's my blending drill. So I can say this says Zoom, which is a real word. Let's see, will this work? But, oops. All right. Didn't work. But Zeem is not a real word. And then I can bring down, with any luck, the end. So now we have zine. So the card pack in real life goes much faster than this one. Our next section is spell sounds, where the students will spell words that are dictated to them. Then we have sentence dictation. You have to write 2 sentences, and here is COPS to check their editing skills, capitalize or overall appearance, punctuation, spelling. And then we get into new learning. So now I'm still taping. If I want to stop taping, I click on here. So I will do that. I'll stop taping now. I'll pretend I made a mistake. Not hard to make that, to pretend. It says it goes right to Google Drive. So it should be in my Google Drive. It also puts up a little box here if you're getting, as you get to like 4 minutes and 30 seconds, it counts down. Right now it's showing my video. If you want to edit it, you have to pay extra, which is a bummer. You can copy the shareable link. You can publish it to YouTube, so that's valuable. You can share to your classroom. So it's pretty good. I spent a lot of time putting stuff in the trash bin. You have to remember to title it, which is something that I always forget. But it's pretty handy. I think it would, for me, like I said, for my peers, and I would use 1B, ensure all students have access to technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. And I would use 3D, support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning, cultural, and social emotional needs of individual students. So I hope that helped. Bye.